Guys, I'm back here. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I've been kind of reevaluating my investing strategy, and I'm splitting it up into half dividend investing, half options trading. So right now I'm mainly focusing on dividend investing just for the time being, until I can get more cash built up into this portfolio. But I also just wanted to update you guys on my portfolio because of the huge market crashes and Robinhood being down. It was down yesterday and most of the day today, about half the day probably. Um, you guys probably know that too. Robinhood, it was had a system outage and everyone's freaking out. Of course, it was a very bad day for that to happen because that was the day that the market rallied up. Like, I don't know. It was the Nasdaq was up and the S&P, all of them were up like 3%. And then today they came back down, I believe. Um, so that's kind of, yeah, so this was down and this is pretty much the mirror of the S&P. So yesterday it was up. Well, I can't really tell here, but yeah, yesterday it was up. Um, so I'll just show you guys my portfolio. I'm still up all time, but this is my last week, so we did get a rally here, but um, it was really bad here. But all time I'm still up. Terrible, I know, terrible percent. I get it, but at least I'm still up, I guess. And so these are my three current holdings. Completely different from the last time, probably, I'm pretty sure. So basically my two dividend stocks are Energy Transfer and Blackstone Minerals. Um, so I chose these two because Energy Transfer, we'll start with that one, has been around forever and pay a great dividend, and they're consistently paying that dividend. So I thought I bought in at a really cheap price, and I mean, well, the whole oil sector, energy sector is a buy right now, anyways. Um, oh yeah, I did. I talked about that. It's still a buy. Talked about it in the last video. But yeah, just looking at this, it also has a good PE ratio. They're making money, and just that dividend yield. I think it's a little lower than that. Not quite 11, but a really good buy. Their options are terrible, but I do kind of want to trade them. I tried today selling some, and none of them would sell, so I don't know why. They were being weird. But I sold a contract on this company, which is basically a satellite company. So it's kind of, there's a lot of volatility with it because I think there was talk one time. I mean, there's talk that the 5G networks, the companies that, Verizon, T-Mobile, all those 5G companies are going to be looking to buy these guys out, and that would obviously jump the stock price. So there's a lot of implied volatility there, which is why these options are really, really good right now. So I sold some. I think I got, how much did I get credited? Sorry, let's look here. What the hell? Okay, anyways, we'll go to it. Sorry. I got $105 for it just today. If I would have day traded it, I would have made $21. So I can buy it back right now for 84. I might buy it back honestly tomorrow, possibly, or I might just keep it. I don't know. But yeah, so then I took that $105 and put more into Energy Transfer because it was down today. So with this strategy, what I'm trying to do is, these are my two, just safe investments. You want to do safe and risky. So right now I'm focused more on safe until I can get more money. Then we're going to do risky. So Energy Transfer pays about a 30.5 cent dividend per share you have. So basically for the first quarter, I will be getting paid $91.50 for owning this company in dividends. And I think they pay that at around in May is their second quarter payout. So $91.50, and then BSM pays about a 30-cent dividend. So 320 shares. So we're looking at $96 from BSM. So plus that 90 and a half. So each quarter I'll be racking in $187.50, and that's just the first quarter, I guess. If I were to reinvest that and put that in Energy Transfer, you know, I could get about 17 shares more, and then the next time, if I held on to everything, I'd be looking at, $96 for Energy Transfer. So I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to hold out till May, especially with these two companies, and I'm going to see what the dividend, I want to actually get paid the dividends. I haven't gotten paid a dividend forever because I never usually buy dividend companies because I like options, and dividend companies with options are terrible. So, and that's true, the option premiums are terrible for these two companies, but if you can just do a little bit, it'll pay off. So I am going to try to sell contracts on both of these companies, but I'm going to make sure they don't exercise. So I'm going to be going out like probably here. See, I think I tried doing this today and they wouldn't go. So you're going to get terrible premiums. So you could probably get this for like $5, but I have 300 shares, $15 isn't terrible. I mean, it's another share. So that's kind of the process right now. I'll update you guys on whatever else happens, and that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below what you guys have, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.